Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your indicator front bulb on this Mini Cooper. So as you can see down here, this is our indicator bulb that we're replacing. So literally just turn anti-clockwise. And then as you can see, it's just a standard bulb. So we've got a new bulb, so literally just put that in there. So as you can see, our indicator is now showing obviously orange. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.